Hi guys, here 8 plus 2 power 2 is 4 times 2 divided by 2 times 3 minus 5. Here 8 plus 4 is 12 times 2 divided by 2 times 3 minus 5. Here 12 times this is 2 divided by 2 is 1 times this 3 minus 5. Here this 12 times 1 is 12 times 3 minus 5. Here 12 times 3 is 36 minus 5. 36 minus 5 is 31 is the wrong answer. Here, as per this order of operation, this 31 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So here 8 plus 2 power 2. Here 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 3 minus 5. Here the next priority is exponent. Here we have 2 power 2. We have to do this. So 8 plus 2 power 2 is 4 times 1 times 3 minus 5. Here the next priority is multiplication. We have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 8 plus 4 times 1 is 4 times this 3 minus 5. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 8 plus 4 times 3 is 12 minus 5. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one. 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12 is 20 minus 5. Here 20 minus 5 is 15 is the correct answer.